Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your screen refresh rate to 60Hz or 120Hz on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on display. Then tap on motion smoothness. And here you could choose adaptive for 120Hz or standard for 60Hz. So if you choose adaptive, then you can get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting the screen refresh rate up to 120Hz. So it is not a set rate, it is adaptive, so it can increase or decrease the refresh rate as required. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now don't forget to tap on the apply button to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.